Samsung has already revealed when and where we will receive the new Galaxy S10. LG is reportedly gearing up for an MWC launch tradition with the G8, and iPhone prices are dropping, as strange as they may sound. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I know, right, I got the worst lighting. You get 2 Pocketnow Dailies today. Sorry about the tech difficulties yesterday. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with everything that we're covering from CES 2019. We already have our Nubia video live. Again, we've got Jabra. We're trying to look for a couple of extra products that have been rumored out there that apparently are here. Not yet being confirmed, but we will keep you posted. So again, follow the playlist for more information, and also follow us on Instagram. Now let's talk about Samsung and its press invitations for its Unpacked event to happen in San Francisco on February 20th. I mean, that was the date that I was flying to Barcelona for MWC. Oh my God, this just completely changed our plans. Now we're gonna go to San Fran. We'll definitely be covering it there live. We'll keep you posted, but my God, Sammy. Rumors have it that we will also be able to see the Galaxy F there to a certain degree. We'll see what we get. Now let's talk about the LG G8. We don't have much detail on this phone, but we do hear that LG will continue its tradition of launching a product during MWC, and that will be the G8. We were not expecting this to happen with all the thing that LG was gonna, not launch so many products every year, but it seems that that's going to change. We'll keep you posted about that. We will be at MWC. Now let's talk about Nokia, as we've got some leaked images of the 8.1, and it seems that Nokia wants to follow the trend of design language. For those of you that don't like the concept of punch holes, it's coming here in addition to the fact that you're getting to keep the headphone jack. So that's a good trend that at least the company is going to keep. We just don't have any dates. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with iPhones dropping in price. Believe it or not, in China, devices like the iPhone X are apparently like $66 less expensive. Devices like the iPhone XS Max have dropped in price by like $50. This is unprecedented. According to the report, Apple is telling its suppliers to drop their prices so that they could be more competitive, as if this was Apple's, suppliers' fault. But anyways, in the comments down below, what do you think? I mean, do you think that this price drop is good enough? Would you buy an iPhone if it were $50 less expensive? Because in my case, I feel that they should be a lot less expensive. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.